Hello folks, so in this video I wanted to talk about wins again, so small wins. So I would say every day start off your day with a small win. For example, reading something, anything that you consider as a win, as a small win or a win, like reading something, learning something very small, basic in the first thing in the morning, or as much as possible, as soon as possible in the morning, and also at night before going to sleep. For example, what I do is I usually go and check out a website where I actually solve some problems. Recently, I've just been reading the problems every day. I'm ensuring that's the most basic thing I do. Like just open up the website. That is the first step. Second step is read the problem. Third step is solving the problem in my head, and then this is a computer science problem. So then coding it out is the next step and all. So and the other win that I have during the day is at night I read a book. I read a small chapter. So every chapter in that book is small. I read a few pages, and usually that ends up with one chapter. Sometimes I read more. That's like more than one chapter. And another win for me every day is I ensure that I start off by going to the gym. So this way, it's like I finish off gym. So that's like a big win for me. So I just consider that as a big win or even a small win, but a win basically where I'm like, okay, I won the day, so I've gone to the gym. That's like basic for me, right? So I would say define your wins like that, and then say consider it as a small win or big win or whatever, but consider it, have some wins, small wins especially, from the start of the day and towards the end of the day. In between also you can have multiple small wins. Define your wins, what is a win, and try looking at what is the most basic thing you can do, what is the simplest thing you can do, and try to break it and see if you can get it done. That's all I had for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.